Hi, what's up, Vechain holders? So this is live price prediction of Vechain coin, my brother, and what's expert says about Vechain in those days, my brother. Everything I'm going to discuss you. So kindly, if you are new my channel, just and only click out the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, so come out here now, my brother. Absolutely, when a coin were fails down for a short time, so definitely the holder are stop, and absolutely, my brother, they are completely in the loss now. So kindly don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Definitely, there is a chance of coming days, my brother. Absolutely, the price were very badly fails down, because absolutely when in the start of month every coin were fails down. So therefore, if this coin will not starting fail down, so there is a chance to upcoming time they will fail down. But I am 100% sure, my brothers, to which chain will give you a profit. But if you are hold now, so I will request for all of you to kindly hold it now. Don't starting selling, hold it, and absolutely the expert says to in upcoming time there is a 70% chance to this coin will get a profit. So definitely if they are all right now, so I will give you guarantee this coin will give you a profit. So be ready for risk and get a profit. Absolutely, my brother. In upcoming time, there is 100% chance to they will collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they just only collaborate with a lot of companies, so I am 100% sure to upcoming days, this coin is completely gonna be viral now. Thanks for watching. Holder, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.